Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to freeze row headers in Google Sheets. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Google Sheets spreadsheet where you want to freeze your header row. Once the spreadsheet loads in your browser, you'll see all your rows and columns displayed. Now look at the top menu bar, where you'll see several menu options. Click on View. It's positioned between Insert and Format in that menu bar. A drop-down menu appears with various view options listed vertically. In that drop-down menu, hover over the option that says Freeze. A submenu slides out to the right showing your freeze options: no rows, 1 row, 2 rows, and up to current row. Click on 1 row. This is what you want for a standard header freeze. As soon as you click it, the drop-down menu closes automatically, and you'll see a gray horizontal line appear just below row 1. That gray line is your freeze indicator. It marks exactly where the freeze is applied. Now scroll down through your spreadsheet using your mouse wheel or the scroll bar on the right side. As you scroll, row 1 stays completely locked at the top of your screen, while all the other rows scroll beneath it. That thick gray line separates your frozen header from the scrollable content below, so no matter how far down you scroll, you can always see what each column represents. The freeze setting is saved automatically with your spreadsheet. If your spreadsheet has multiple tabs, this freeze only applies to the sheet you're currently viewing. You'll need to repeat these steps on each tab if you want frozen headers everywhere. If you ever want to remove the freeze, go back to View, hover over Freeze, and click No Rows. The gray line disappears and everything scrolls normally. One quick tip: if you need to freeze more than one header row, instead of clicking 1 row, select 2 rows, or use the Up to Current Row option after clicking the cell in the row below your last header. Another tip: the freeze applies independently to each sheet tab, so different tabs can have different freeze settings depending on their layout. And remember, the freeze bar is that thin gray line. If you don't see it after clicking, double check that you selected 1 row from the freeze menu and not no rows by accident. Thanks for watching.